Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Google Pixel Watch 2. This smartwatch has been making waves in the tech community, boasting impressive features, a stylish design, and seamless integration with the Google ecosystem. Whether you're a fitness fanatic, a busy professional, or just someone who loves to stay connected, the Pixel Watch 2 has something for everyone. Let's break down everything this smartwatch has to offer. Design. Starting with its design, the Pixel Watch 2 sports a sleek and modern look that feels premium on your wrist. The watch features a 1.2-inch circular AMOLED display, providing vibrant colors and deep contrasts that make everything pop. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, the screen is durable enough to withstand everyday wear and tear. The watch comes in multiple colors, including obsidian, chalk, and a new shade called hazel, allowing you to customize it to fit your personal style. The interchangeable bands add versatility to your look, from sporty silicone options perfect for workouts to elegant leather bands for a more formal setting. Weighing just 32 grams, it's lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to wear all day long. Health and fitness. Now let's move on to the health and fitness features that make the Pixel Watch 2 stand out. Google has incorporated advanced health tracking technology into this device. It features a heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, and SpO2 monitoring, giving you a comprehensive overview of your health. One of the most exciting additions is the skin temperature sensor, which can provide insights into your wellness and help detect potential health issues early. For fitness enthusiasts, the Pixel Watch 2 offers built-in GPS and support for various workout modes. Whether you're running, cycling, or doing yoga, the watch tracks your activities with precision. It integrates seamlessly with the Fitbit app, allowing users to track their workouts, monitor their progress, and set fitness goals. With reminders to move and personalized coaching, staying active has never been easier. Smart features. In terms of smart features, the Pixel Watch 2 doesn't disappoint. It comes with Google Assistant built in, enabling voice commands for everything from setting reminders to controlling smart home devices. The watch also supports notifications from your favorite apps, so you never miss an important message or alert. With Google Pay integrated, you can make contactless payments directly from your wrist, making it convenient for on-the-go purchases. Plus, you can take calls and respond to messages without needing to reach for your phone, which is a game changer for those with busy lifestyles. Connectivity. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Pixel Watch 2. It offers Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, along with an LTE option for those who prefer to leave their phone behind while staying connected. This feature is particularly useful during workouts or outdoor activities, where carrying a phone might be cumbersome. The integration with the Google ecosystem means you can easily access apps like Google Maps for navigation, Spotify for music streaming, and even check your calendar for upcoming events. The watch's intuitive interface makes navigating through apps smooth and user-friendly. Software. When it comes to software, the Pixel Watch 2 runs on Wear OS, which has been optimized for better performance. The user interface is sleek and responsive, allowing you to swipe through your notifications, apps, and settings with ease. You can customize your watch face, choosing from a variety of styles and complications to suit your preferences. Regular software updates ensure that your watch stays up to date with the latest features and improvements. This means you can expect new apps, enhancements, and functionality to roll out over time, keeping your smartwatch experience fresh and exciting. Battery life. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartwatch, and the Pixel Watch 2 delivers with a battery that lasts up to 24 hours on a single charge, depending on usage. The watch also supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when you're short on time. In our testing, we found that it easily lasts through a full day of use, including workouts and health tracking. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Google Pixel Watch 2 is a powerful smartwatch that combines style, functionality, and health monitoring in one sleek package. With its advanced features, seamless integration with the Google ecosystem, and impressive battery life, it's a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their daily life. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who just wants to stay connected, The Pixel Watch 2 is sure to impress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.